Hi, my name is Steinar Holøs from makecode, and first of all I want to thank everyone that support this project. So we have asked our supporters what extra perk we could offer, and one of the top things were a HoverBit online workshop, and that is what we are giving you. So everyone that support this project before the end of Friday 10th of April will be able to also join in this 3-hour workshop where we build and code the HoverBit together. So it will be me and Henning joining you in building and coding and having lots of fun with doing that. So if you join this project before Friday the 10th, you will get a link, and the link will lead you to the landing page, or it looks as the same landing page as you've already been on. The difference is that on the right side you will find a secret perk. So this is the 3-hour workshop. So to get this, you simply go in, you get this perk, and then you go into the next page. Now you have already added all the necessary information, so what you have to fill in is your name, email address, and the card that you used on the initial payment, and then submit payment, and then you're on this workshop. So we hope that we will see you there, and again, thank you so much for all the support on this project, and have a nice evening. Bye.